Have you ever been in a relationship where you were giving, and you thought that the more that you gave, the more love you'll get back, but instead you ended up attracting a user, a manipulator, somebody that might even be a narcissist? Well, today I'm going to share with you how to avoid these type of people by teaching you 7 signs to look out for when someone's emotionally safe and worth trusting. And if you want more tips on how to take charge of your love life, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. If you're attracting emotionally unavailable partners, it's not your fault. A lot of it stems from our past, our upbringing, and if we grew up in homes where we weren't taught what emotional safety looked like, there is a high chance that we are going to be drawn to what's familiar. This is why today is so important for you to learn these signs so you can start paying attention and picking partners that can actually meet your needs and create emotional safety for you. Sign number 1 is somebody that respects your boundaries. They understand that maybe you don't want to divulge information too quickly, too soon. They're not pressuring you. They're not forcing you to tell secrets. Instead, they're holding space and waiting for you to feel comfortable enough to open up. And they're vulnerable. They're willing to share and open up themselves so that you can feel safe to open up with them as well. Sign number 2, they have genuine kindness without ulterior motives. The key is to observe them and see how they interact with others when they have nothing to gain. Do they extend kindness just for the sake of being kind? Or are they strategic about it? They're only kind if they're going to get something out of it. This trait is what sets apart somebody that has genuine care for another person from somebody that is strategically manipulating a person. Kindness that's offered without any expectation in return is what fosters trustworthiness between two people. Sign number 3 is their actions mirror their words. Consistency is the heartbeat of trust. So they're not making grandiose promises and not following through. No, their words and their actions match. And if they can't follow through, they apologize, they're transparent, and they take accountability for their mistakes. Sign number 4 is you are free to be yourself. Think about this. Do you feel like you have to change yourself or market yourself for the person to like you? No, this person accepts you and allows you to feel at ease, to drop the mask and really be your genuine, authentic self. This acceptance is a clear signal that your individuality is something that they celebrate, that they love, and that they want more of. That's when you know someone's making you feel emotionally safe for being absolutely your authentic self. Number 5, they are an empathetic listener. It's such a profound feeling to be seen and heard by somebody when you're sharing something important. They listen to understand rather than defend. Empathy is the cornerstone of emotional safety. Someone who aims to understand your point of view is really walking alongside with you rather than walking against you. The 6th sign is that you see undeniable consistency. Now reflect on the way they've acted over time. Are they consistent? Are they showing reliability? If there's somebody that is actually showing that their actions and words match and they're consistently doing that over time, then you can tell that this is a person's character. This is who they really are. An emotionally safe person is not going to make false promises and do grandiose gestures for a short amount of time. No, they are going to show their character through consistency and showing up for you and having follow through. And I always say it takes like 90 days for you to see someone's character, because a lot of us fall in excitement and we have the honeymoon phase. But this is something more than that. This is consistently after the 90 days, this person is showing you that they still like you, they're still answering the phone calls, their communication is clear, then you know that you can trust this person, that they're an emotionally safe person. And the seventh sign is open communication. Now, when I talk about open communication, I'm talking about vulnerability. Are they able to express themselves? Are they able to share their true feelings? Are they able to be honest with you and transparent with you, even if it's cringe sometimes? They own their worth. They own their value. They understand that their mistakes are not who they are. So they are clear about when they're happy about something. They're clear about when they're having a difficult time, where there's needs that aren't being met. You don't have to play the guessing game and read between the lines. They're very open with their communication and express themselves freely. The beauty about that is it gives you permission to do the same. And here's the part about vulnerability. It is required in order to create a deep connection. So as both of you shed your walls and you're able to show up as your authentic self, it creates a deeper and meaningful bond. So these signs are not only important to look for in a partner, but it is also important to look for them in yourself. And if you're struggling with showing up in these areas so that you can be emotionally safe for a partner, I'm here to help. Please leave a comment, question below. I do reply, or you can visit me at amythedatingcoach.com. I have private coaching and programs that will help you open yourself up to being more emotionally safe, so that, I always say, like attracts like, so that you can invite a partner that aligns with you in those values as well. Thank you so much for joining, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.